Okay, today marks the exciting day of 2019. Worship with the widows 2019. Jack, it's a privilege meeting once again. I'm here to bring you the inside and outside of the program. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. I'm getting right inside to bring you the gist about the program. I'm called Original Purpose.
What do
Yamisha, Mommy, dear, and share with him. I want him to.
And you there, somebody want you to say, Yamiasam. Say, Yamiasam, Ebamimu, and I'm the Chunma, not Shamedy. And not Shimmer, many to summer to Yamium.
Becca said, Akaya Mamia and was Rawas one room to Mudianka, worship with the widows, the Obey, the Waha, then a trim my bag.
They're trimming by and say. That be I mean to say widow, but I felt my feeling pain because I just lost my husband about 8 months ago. So, me too, Mr. No, Miss Me Ukraine, have a shaming your animal cramp for so maybe I encourage you on.
Mommy, me who said, na Arawasha or Crasoma, na and you so a proud. A dear man, a kind of fine, and so cool, but dear now who were Hantia, a man is on by.
I need na tears of joy. Tears of joy.
Mommy, Yamisha, then I'll be catch your beer. Or shower only a commas or the bed door and obey ye be a movie.
May catch your BPA say, Kunaya a year. Loneliness a year. I've been through, so I know so it's not easy. So I'm a person challenging my BPA washer me say. BPA person one other boy could afford if I bow no Yamia or slow be strong.
Whether what on you so obi social person put minimum crab in a minja.
Yeah, here we bring you now. Oh, no, be say, ma. Kasana ya ritewo. Oh, badi, oh, marriage, Jesus, Kasa. Yamisha. Okay, so that's our lovely mommy, powerful, inspirational, very anointed in singing. God bless her so much. Keep on watching. We have more for you.